Well, howdy, folks. Charlie with Typewriter Justice here, and this is something I've never done before. Ever. Always wanted to. Always thought about it. Thought, man, that would look really cool. You know, to take an SM4 case and peel all that crappy vinyl off of there. Take some nasty chemicals to it, pull all the goo off. Take some sandpaper to it, smooth it out. Stain prep it, then stain it. Then sand it, then stain it, then sand it, then stain it. Then hit it with polyurethane. And then sand it, and then hit it with polyurethane again, and then sand it. You get the idea. It's a bunch of work. Man, it's totally worth it. Cleaned the hardware up. Did a whitening process. Lightening, because it's not white. It's not supposed to be white. Lightening process on the handle. Makes it look nice and new. That polyurethane feels great. Man, super tough. So, what would I put in a case this cool? Oh, man. Well, I would put a equally customized 1960 Olympia SM4. Black keys, black knobs, custom powder-coated midnight blue metallic paint job. 1960. It was pretty clean when it came to me. It's absolutely clean now. Body's completely off. Had it stripped down and powder coated beautifully. Local crew here. Took all the chrome off. All the pieces. All these assemblies came out. Everything. Got a new platen from J.J. Short. The original feed rollers in there, but they're all cleaned up and spiffy. Olympia feed rollers from this era hold up pretty consistently well. The black keys came off another SM4 because I wanted to use the chassis of this one with a body that's been repainted, but I wanted to have black keys to go with that. So I had me another machine that didn't have quite as nice a chassis, but it did have black keys. And so I went ahead and snatched those off of there. You know, it doesn't happen like that. But it's a funky tool you got to use to get up underneath there and pop that little spring out and hold the little cap in place. And then you pull the whole thing up and forward, and then you yank it, and finally it comes off. They're a lot more fun going back on, trust me. SM4, man, they're rock solid machines. One of the best ever made. Oh, I almost forgot. I had the little goodie kit there too. I need to get a new pad. I got so many chemicals on this one. Ugh. Where was I? Goodie kit. Oh yeah. What do we got? We got the little brush. Olympia. Cleaning your type slugs in an emergency, I guess. A little Olympia. Wipe it down. Make it pretty rag. Oh yeah. Yeah. What else? Do we have a card? Oh, we do. Look at there. eraser shield. Yeah, these are so cool and so handy too. And dun dun dun, a lovely key. That latch on the case totally does work. Anyway, put that right there. So, full chemical clean. And man, there's just not a speck inside this thing, really. Ten characters to the inch. Pica, if you will. It's kind of frightening how well these Olympias clean up. Because, man, they just look brand new. So well built. Had to grind off the rivets that held this plate on so I could get the powder coating on there. Had a booger of a time getting it back on there, but it worked. Yeehaw. So the SM4 has a couple of notable differences from the SM3. The most obvious being the two keyset tabulator controls. You have your add a tab stop here and your clear a tab stop here. You have your all clear right here. What other user differences? You have an extra carriage release. The SM3 only has this one, it doesn't have that one. I think that's about it from the owner-operator standpoint. There's some other mechanical differences, minor design changes. But dude, they did such a stinking good job with the SM3. I mean, they were kind of scrambling to figure out a way to make it better, you know? I mean, they did. They succeeded. But yeah, they're pretty awesome. Let's do a little type test here. 1960 Olympia SM4, serial number 1683-420. Typing 10 characters to the inch with a lovely, fresh black and red ribbon. Yes. On the black setting, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Man, my hands are cold. It's hard to type. I mean, like, I got my heater under my desk, cause burr. Where was I? On the red setting, the quick brown, oh man, fox jumps over the lazy dog. Man, that's such a workout. Pretty decent, I must say. Pretty good alignment. There we go, folks. 1960. Custom as all get out. Frankenstein. Sort of midnight blue SM4 monstrosity. Happy Halloween, y'all.